Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to change or add nicknames to your Facebook profile. That is, Facebook profile has nicknames and you can either change them or just add new ones. How to do it. To do this, you log into Facebook, then you click on your profile menu, then you click here at the top on the settings icon. Now here you select Account Center. Now here you select your profile, click on it. Now you select also your Facebook profile. Now here we just click on the button. Name, and we have here an item. Manage other names, click on it, and here we now click on. Name type and choose here. Nickname, now click on. Name, and here we write our nickname that we want to specify right here. Phone support and click on the button. Save, and after that we save the new nickname. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.